guys, this is me Anushka. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm doing something really interesting and I have been waiting for this for a long time. I'm making mozzarella cheese sticks and I'm really excited. Let's go. About all the ingredients. First we need breadcrumbs, then 1 egg and flour, and the most important, mozzarella cheese. So for the first step, all you have to do is cut the cheese into few slices. Also guys, please be careful with the knife. After that, pour some water into the egg and whisk it. Using these plastic gloves to maintain hygiene and it will be less messy. So as you can see, you have to take a slice and dip it into flour, mix it nicely with your hand and then put it into the egg. After this, you have to put it into the breadcrumbs. Use your hands to mix it properly. After the oil is little warm, put the cheese into the oil. Also, do not fry more than 2 pieces together or else they will stick with each other. And it's ready! So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like the recipe, please do make it and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Lots of love.